The husband is ex-party. What about the notice? Should the notice have been served repeatedly? The husband has been received. Notice of publication हुआ है. Husband has got publication expert.
Publication के बाद भी नहीं आया.
उसके घर जाके दिया, परमानेंट एड्रेस पे दिया, ईमेल किया, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस जो फादर उसके वहां दिया. तो वो इनको व्हाट्सएप और एसएमएस करता था, मैंने इतने साल बर्बाद कर दिए, फर्दर और 10 साल आईपी बर्बाद कर दूंगा. अभी आज भी वो ऑनलाइन देख रहा होगा ये.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. What this is petition was filed by the
wife lordship,
and that was
her divorce petition was rejected by the family court. Mainly lordship on few grounds.
Yes.
That she has not made any complaint before the police regarding the cruelty.
Where is Gabor? Where is date? 19 अप्रैल 2019. 14. बच्चे कितने आपके पास? बच्चे देंगे. What is the cruelty committed by the other guy?
What has happened, Lordship? This road belongs to a small place near Bhopal. So they were schoolmates, they fell in love. They came to Bhopal for preparation of government job coachings. They were living separately. So what has happened, Lordship, they did marriage and they were living separately in separate PGs, not as husband and wife. So she got government job in 2017 in LIC Housing Finance as assistant manager.
Since when they are living separately?
2017, Lordship.
2017.
When she got government job in Indore, when she got government job in Indore,
right,
and her husband could not get any job till now.
What she was doing?
So his ego. She is an assistant manager in LIC Housing Finance Limited.
Assistant manager
in LIC Housing Finance.
Okay. और हस्बैंड क्या करते हैं?
हस्बैंड कुछ भी नहीं करते, इसलिए उनका ईगो हर्ट हो गया. वो बोले लगे आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ो और भोपाल आके मेरे साथ रहो. तो बोला आप इंदौर आ जाओ, आप यहाँ ज्यादा अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी.
क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है हस्बैंड की?
बैचलर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. बीई.
अच्छा बीई. इंजीनियरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में ये इलेक्ट्रिकल.
श्योर बीई है.
इतने साल से हस्बैंड का ये नहीं पता कि क्या पढ़ा लिखा है. आपके कितने साल अफेयर रहे? कितने साल अफेयर थे आपके?
शादी के पहले
4 साल.
4 साल. And why the trial court has rejected her cruelty?
Actually, mainly 6 grounds. One is that she has not made any police complaint regarding alleging cruelty.
Right.
Second is कि इन्होंने और कोई विटनेस एग्जामिन नहीं किया है सिवाय खुद के. क्वांटिटी ऑफ विटनेस.
Right.
थर्ड इज कि वाइफ ने हस्बैंड को एक नोटिस भेजा था डाइवोर्स पिटीशन लगाने के पहले.
वाइफ ने
एग्जिबिट P1
किसके नोटिस?
वाइफ ने हस्बैंड को नोटिस भेजा था, लीगल नोटिस. उसमें क्रुएल्टी अलेज करते हुए लास्ट पैरा में ये लिख दिया था कि हम सारे विवादों को विराम देना चाहते हैं, आप म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से शादी डाइवोर्स कर लीजिए.
आपने भेजा था लोग.
हाँ
ठीक है.
तो उसको हस्बैंड ने मना कर दिया, डिनाई कर दिया. तो ट्रायल कोर्ट ने बोला कि इनकी इंटेंशन ये थी कि आप म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से कर लो.
राइट.
जबकि उसी नोटिस में क्रुएल्टी के फैक्ट्स क्लियरली.
क्रुएल्टी क्या है बताइए?
पता नहीं क्या क्रुएल्टी
इसमें जो पिटीशन में जो लिखा है.
यस, क्रुएल्टी इज दिस कि मेनली इनका 2017 में जॉब लग गया, गवर्नमेंट जॉब इंदौर में.
राइट.
और हस्बैंड का लग नहीं पाया तो उनका ईगो हर्ट हुआ उससे. तो वो इन पे प्रेशर करने लगे. और इनके ब्रदर की प्राइवेट जॉब लग गई इंदौर में. सो बोथ ऑफ शी एंड हर ब्रदर दे वर लिविंग टुगेदर इन इंदौर doing their respective jobs. So his main problem was about his hurting of ego, that you leave your government job and live with me without doing anything until I get government job. And he used to torture her physically and mentally also.
Take off. इसका appeal करें.
Since 17 they are living separately in different cities also till now.
stated. The present appeal has been filed on the ground that the court below has substantially erred in law and fact, both in not appreciating that till today there is no notice received by the appellant wife of section 9 HMA case filed by the respondent. As such, she had no knowledge about the same. Moreover, section 9 case was filed after filing of the divorce petition by the appellant and sorry,
by the husband.
नहीं, appellant. No,
नहीं, सेक्शन 9 हस्बैंड ने फाइल किया।
Section 9 husband ने भोपाल में लगाया।
divorce petition इन्होंने कर दिया.
Divorce इन्होंने इंदौर में लगाई लास्ट।
Yes, divorce.
Section 9 husband ने भोपाल में लगाया, 2 साल उसको पेंडिंग रखा और विड्रॉ कर लिया। जैसे इनकी डाइवोर्स पिटीशन डिस्मिस हुई, उसने इमीडिएटली उसको विड्रॉ कर लिया। देयर इज नो ऑर्डर।
Section filed by the respondent husband
Section 9
and section 9 and divorce petition filed by the wife, right? Appellant वही है. Hence, mere filing of section 9 case cannot mark the rights of wife under the law. So, the further ground in the present appeal is that the court below has committed substantial error of fact and law in not properly appreciating the clear pleading and evidence on the court that the respondent treated the appellant with cruelty and deserted her as not joined her at Indore, where appellant was working in a government job with LIC Housing Finance Limited, and the respondent was not working. So, non-counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant submit that the trial court failed to appreciate that if a wife is compelled and constrained to live separately with her husband to save her life, dignity, modesty, etc., and to escape the continuous physical and mental cruelty by the husband and his family members, living separately with the husband on such ground, and especially when she is employed in a government job, she has to live separately for such job are lawful and same can be treated and considered as possession by the appellant wife without any substantial cause. So, the court below has not considered the expression sufficient cause for possession in its power, proper perspective, and has given improper finding to that effect. So, we have produced the impugned order passed by the Learned Family Court, whereby recorded as under. This is page 50. Where no complaint filed on those italics 126 Roman. Just know that. It is pertinent to mention here that despite notice served upon the respondent, none only is where stop. Thereafter, the substitute to publication has also effective and appeared none on behalf of the respondent. It seems the respondent has nothing to say to controvert the present appeal. Stop.
He has already been proceeded ex parte.
Sorry?
He has already been proceeded ex parte by this court. On earlier dates.